The US has many reasons to strike Iran. Well, that line lands heavily, not from a battlefield or military base, but from the briefing room of White House. Cameras rolling, reporters waiting, tensions in the air. And the voice delivering the message? Caroline Levitt, calm, measured, but firm. She confirms that nuclear talks with Iran have made a little bit of progress here, but just a little. Not a breakthrough, not a deal yet. And she says that the two remains very far apart on the key issues here. Let's pause. Diplomacy is moving, but slowly. Yes, Iran is expected to return with more details in coming weeks, and until then, the president is watching very carefully though. But yes, then comes the question that changes the tone of the room. If Donald Trump has already claimed that the US strikes in June obliterated Iran's nuclear program, then why even talk about another strike? If it's destroyed, what is left to hit? And that is where strategy meets skepticism. Levitt does not announce new military action though, but she makes one thing absolutely clear, that all options remain on the table. Let's rewind here. In June, Washington carried out strikes on 3 Iranian nuclear-linked sites. The administration described the damage as severe. In fact, strong words were used: obliterated. But intelligence assessments, long-term monitoring, and diplomatic negotiations tell a very complicated story, because nuclear programs are not just buildings, right? They are knowledge, they are scientists, technology, hidden facilities. And in geopolitics, certainty is rare. So now we have 2 tracks again. One is diplomacy, quiet rooms, careful wordings, proposal and counter-proposal. The other is deterrence, warnings, military readiness, statements that signal strength. The US says it wants a deal. Iran says it wants respect and sanction relief. But trust? That is short supply. And here's a bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen. The Middle East is already tense, right? Regional conflicts simmer. Alliances are shifting, energy markets react to every headline. Any military escalation would not stay contained. It would ripple outwards. For now, there is no new strike though, only words. But in international politics, words are never just words. They are signals, they are leverage, they are warning wrapped in diplomacy. And the coming weeks, they really matter. Iran's response matters because the path forward, it splits in 2 directions: negotiation or escalation. And the world is watching which road Washington and Tehran choose next.